Dear students, my name is M. Swami, lecturer in history, Government Degree College, Utnur. Today, we are discussing about Mauryan empires. The marks the beginning of a new era in Indian history of India. It was, on the one hand, the outcome of a tremendous upsurge against foreign rule in India. It was under the banner of Mauryan dynasty and of the Chandragupta. India witnessed political unity for the first time ever risen, extending from Himalayas and Axis River in the north to river of Tungabhadra in South India. With the establishment of this dynasty, India attained political unity. India achieved political unity and uniform system of administration, and the entire credit goes to Chandragupta and his able advisor Chanakya. The Mauryas under him also established political culture and other contacts with other civilized monarchs of the countries like Syria, Egypt, Macedonia, Ceylon, Nepal, and other countries. Thus, it was observed by many historians that apart from political unity, there existed in the empire social harmony, economic prosperity, religious, literacy, peace, and other security reasons. It also witnessed to development in the field of art and architectures, literature, and also sciences. Sources of information. For the first time, abundant source material is available for the study of Mauryan Empire. Literary sources are available from the contemporary works as well as the literary works of the later period. V. A. Smith observed that the advent of the Mauryan dynasty marks the passage from darkness to light of the historian. Chronology suddenly definite and almost precious. Dear students, these are the complaint point from foreign historians also. The literacy sources of information are divided into two parts. One is secular and second one is religious. The secular sources are from Kautilya's Ardhashastra, Megasthenes Indica, Vishakadatta's Mudra-Rakshasa, Kalhana's Rajatarangini, Somadeva Katha Satasagara, and Shemendra Brihatkatha Manjari. and also some foreign writers like Strabo, Darius, Pliny, Arrian, Justin, Payan, Vansang also. These are the main writers, main foreign writers who write the Indian history and also Mauryan empires in that period, like social, political, economic conditions. Dear students, some other religious books telling about the Mauryan period conditions, like Buddha's books like Mahavamsha, Deepavamsha, Divyavadana, Ashokavadana, and some Buddha's tales, and also Jainist books, some available. It's telling the Maurya's administration system and also social conditions, some others. Dear students, the Mauryans was the first rulers to establish such a dynamic kingdom called as Mauryas. The Maurya word came from Mora. It is a women name. So, my dear friends,